Let's get to the renovation. We still have to paint this ceiling here, but man, that spot is looking mint. Remember, there used to be lights there. But now, for the same house, let's finally move upstairs. As promised, we gotta get these showers going for some tile. This used to be a full one-piece tub surround, and now we're gonna put in a tub and then we're gonna tile the walls. It's always important to remember when you pull out a tub surround like that, you're gonna have some sort of flaring or some sort of spacing that needs to be filled. So thanks to my grandpa, one of the easiest ways I've found is I can go to Lowe's and I can just pick up a pack of these big paint mixing sticks. And they've been perfect for most of these jobs. So I just space them out a little bit where I know that my joints are gonna be. And now when I throw up this dent shield, it's gonna be the perfect thickness all the way up. So I don't have to worry about uneven tile. Uh-oh, here comes Derek.
That is going to leak.
What do you mean it's gonna leak? You don't even know what product I'm using.
There's 100% chance you're never gonna do it my way, so it's going to leak. Back in the 70s, we did it.
I'm gonna stop you right there. I don't care about the 70s. This waterproofing membrane I just put up is called RedGuard. And this product ensures you won't have any leaking into your walls. And now while that dries, I'm gonna stay busy by removing this old floor. And the reason we're gonna take this out is because we're gonna end up putting tile down. And we cannot put tile over vinyl. And just like downstairs in the kitchen, we're gonna use a shovel to pry it up. And well, there we go. We got a few staples we gotta take out, but otherwise it's ready to rock and roll. But we can't put tile right over the subfloor, so here's this uncoupling membrane we're gonna install. Next video. Have a good night. See you tomorrow.